Hey Queens, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are new here, thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Lakendra and the name of my channel is All Things Luxe, a channel dedicated to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. For my returning Luxe fam, Luxe Queens, thanks so much for always tuning back in. In today's video, it is my birthday month. My birthday was on August 2nd. I have been celebrating all month, and I have an unboxing that I would like to share with you guys. And if this is something that interests you, just stick around. All right, Queens. So it has been several weeks since I have uploaded content. I apologize. I have just been taking a little time off, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, I have been pretty active there. And if you don't follow me, why don't you follow me? I'm going to post that so that you can go on over to Instagram and follow me. I got some cool stuff on there right now. All right, so you know me. I have been trying to be very good, but when the opportunity comes up or it arises, then you have to be ready. So I didn't have any intentions of making this purchase, but I did. And I made this purchase before my birthday, probably a month before. Yeah, or some weeks or something in there. But my justification was, it's your birthday, that can be your birthday gift. And so that's how I justified this purchase. And if you can tell from the title, it's a Chanel bag unboxing. And let's just get into it, because I know that's what you girls are here for. So I hope everyone is having a great day, great summer so far. I hope you guys are doing some things that you like to do, enjoy to do. So let's discuss this purchase. I was in my bed asleep, or I had just woke up, and I received a text from one of my sales associates at Neiman's, who I love. His name is Anthony. He is wonderful, has been just wonderful to me since I have met him. Just really wonderful. He has just hooked me up with some great things lately. So I was in my bed and I got a text, and when I looked at the text, I was like, you gotta be kidding me. Oh no, don't do this to me right now, because I had just purchased my red backpack. So I was like, no, oh my gosh, don't do this to me right now. This was a bag that I had been asking other SAs for the last year. It was on my wish list, and when he sent me this picture, I immediately responded and was like, oh my gosh. So the client that he had, who had requested it and was on a wait list for it, she reneged and she backed out. So he texted me, and I was like, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. So when I picked this up, they were out of boxes, so I'm still waiting on my official box, but who needs a box right now? I just want the bag, right? So here's the box that they ship them in, I guess. Okay, the store gets it in, which is interesting. We're gonna open it up. It does come with a little booklet And here is the bag. Okay. The box. So what's interesting is on the box, it says exactly what it is. I will show you guys that in a minute. All right. So here's the black bag. All right. Okay. Oh goodness. Here we are. What do you queens think about this? Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she gorgeous? Gorgeous. So, I love her. I haven't worn her yet, but I was waiting to share with you guys before I pulled her out, but I will be pulling her out soon. So let's discuss this bag. On the box, you can see, if it will focus, it is the mini flap bag, gold metal in lambskin, timeless classic. I love, here, let's just open it up a little bit. I will have to do a what fits in this bag. It kind of reminds me a little bit about or of my small vintage bag. I will have to do a comparison of the sizes. It does come with the strap. All right. Okay. Yes. Oh, it's gorgeous. Does come with the strap. I will insert pics of me trying it on in the boutique, and I will also share a clip of when I first saw it. If you follow me on Instagram, I did share that, and it is a reel of mine. But so I mean, this is it, ladies. What do you think about this beautiful bag? I have wanted a Chanel white bag for some time. Really excited that I got my hands on this bag because, like I said, I have been asking for this bag and shopping around for this bag for the last year. He has also, what was I gonna say? He also has some Chanel wedges that I'm probably gonna buy. I will share those with you guys if I do. Just the price is just so pricey. I've been passing on my other essays, offering them to me, and then I was in the store and I tried them on and I love them on my feet, so I might have to get them even though I don't want to, but I will let you guys know. That will be a to be continued. But if I do get those, it will also be a birthday gift to myself. You can never spoil yourself enough. All right, queens, so I hope you like my new bag, my new beauty. I love it. I think it's so cute. a perfect size for going out to brunch or to dinner. Crossbody, just a cute little bag. How it wears, because it's white, I don't know. I guess I will figure that out. My other white bags are okay. I take care of them well, so I'm not really worried about that with this one either. Anything else I want to share? So leave comments if you like this bag, and if you do, follow me on Instagram. Do you think I should purchase those shoes? I'm going back tomorrow. He's holding them for me for the weekend, so I have to go back tomorrow and pick them up if I do. So if you think I should get those wedges, let me know. Hey, if you are new here and if you made it this far, and if you like this type of content, luxury fashion, fashion in general, traveling, vlogs, I'm your girl. And this is the place to be. Then subscribe. Subscribe, sis. Also, hit the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I post a video. I would greatly appreciate it. That concludes this video. Ladies, if no one has told you today on this beautiful Sunday that you are also beautiful, I am telling you that you're beautiful, and don't let anyone tell you any different. Thank you guys. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and have a great day, week, whatever it is for you. Thank you very much.